Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So today we are going to learn how to install the Vue.js on your Windows machines. So for that you have to make sure you have installed the Node.js and npm on your PCs. So to check if you have Node.js, open your command prompt and write node v. It will tell you the version of the Node.js and npm. It will tell you the version of npm. Make sure you have the latest version of both npm and node. So in some cases it may cause some errors for the installation in Vue 3. So let's get started. First of all, I will create a folder inside this and we will name it my app and open it and write cmd and press enter. And inside this you have to first install the CLI of the Vue 3, for which you can write npm install at vue slash CLI, and when you hit enter it will install the Vue CLI. I will not do it right now because I have already installed and it takes some while to install. So you can copy this command from here and you are to go for that. After that you have to write view and create and the name of your project, whatever you want to name it. I will name it Vue app and hit enter. It will take a moment and it will be installed in your folder. It will ask for the version of the Vue. For that I will use Vue 3 preview and press enter. And you have to wait for a while it's installing. So as you can see guys, our project is ready. So we will change directory for change Vue app, press enter and write npm run serve and hit the enter. It will take some while and it will start building. So visit it and done. Copy this URL. This one is for your local PC and this one for your network. So copy from here, paste it over here. Boom! You can see your first app is ready, guys. So if you face any kind of problem, so don't be shy. You can ask me in the comment section below, or you can visit the Vue.js website for any type of guidance. So guys, as you all know, documentation is the king. So always, if there's any kind of problems, always visit this official website of the Vue. You will find many amazing things over here. Okay guys, if you face any kind of problem, please ask me in the comment section. And to end this building, we can say Control C and Y, press enter. This build will be terminated. So that's all for today. Hope you all enjoyed, and if you enjoyed, please press the like button and subscribe. Okay guys, take care, bye.